Tired of your Canon EOS R10 videos looking less than crisp? Let's turn that blur into crystal clear footage. First, let's tackle focus. Autofocus can sometimes hunt, especially in low light. Switch to manual focus if your subject is stationary or if you're experiencing focus breathing. Access your camera's menu, navigate to the AF/MF setting, and select manual focus. Use the focus ring on your lens to sharpen your image for moving subjects. Consider using a different AF mode like servo AF, which continuously adjusts focus. Next, lighting dramatically impacts sharpness. Insufficient light forces your camera to increase ISO, leading to digital noise and a softer image. Aim for bright, even lighting. Use natural light when possible, or invest in continuous lighting like LED panels or softboxes to illuminate your subject adequately. Proper lighting allows for lower ISO settings and faster shutter speeds. Camera movement is a major culprit for blur. Even slight shakes can ruin an otherwise perfect shot. Stabilize your camera. Utilize a sturdy tripod for static shots. For dynamic movement, a gimbal or a majestabilized lens can counteract shakes, ensuring smooth, professional footage. By addressing focus, optimizing lighting, and stabilizing your camera, you'll consistently achieve sharper, more professional videos with your Canon EOS R10. Say goodbye to blurry footage for good.